acceptable to have more questions than answers.
In crisis, there's no room for not invented here.
In crisis, we should all be learners. Laurentian 2020. I'm Jessa. I'm Jera. And we're here today to share our interesting science experiment called DIY Household Hand Sanitizer. Analytic rubric for performance-based task, DIY Household Hand Sanitizer. Objective: content: exemplary if the content is complete and accurate. Satisfactory if the content is generally accurate and incomplete. Below expectation, the content is inaccurate or overly general. Demonstration: exemplary. The students clearly demonstrate the procedure. Satisfactory. The students forget to demonstrate some procedures. Below expectation, the students does not follow the demonstration procedures. Observation and explanations. Exemplary. Students provide accurate observations and logical explanations. Satisfactory. Students provide inaccurate observations and missing explanations. Below expectation, students does not provide observations and explanations. Holistic rubric for performance-based tasks, DIY Household Hand Sanitizer. Level of performance: exceptional. Description: the students carried out the instructions successfully and have an accurate observation. The explanation is clearly stated. Excellent. The students have minor flaws in the task. The explanation is logical for most part and consistent with the observation. Very good. The students attempts to construct the task, but it is faulty. The observation in the experiment is inaccurate. The explanations are illogical and cannot be supported. Acceptable. The students attempts to construct the task but have many faults. The explanation is missing and the observation is inaccurate. Poor. The students attempts to construct the task show a lot of errors. The explanation and observation are missing. The students have no idea about the experiment.
For the materials to be used, we need to have a plastic bottle, and we preferred to use this 240 ml Swakto Coke plastic bottle,
A 1/4 cardboard,
glue stick, and any kind of glue gun,
a straw, ruler,
pen, scissors,
and a hand sanitizer.
Without further ado, let's do it!
First, we need to cut the cardboard into 3 pieces of 3 by 6 inches and form it like this.
Prepare the plastic bottle. Remove the cap and put a hole into the bottom part of the bottle.
The hole must be exact size to the straw.
Put the straw inside the hole. And put some glue stick to support the straw.
After, put the bottle in the foundation illustration board like this.
Afterwards, put the hand sanitizer inside the bottle and cover it immediately. Now, let's discuss how it works. Based on the principle of vacuum and gravity, when the cap of bottle is being closed, sanitizer is being pulled down by gravity, while vacuum is created in the upper portion of the bottle due to fast flow.
Lower pressure in the upper portion of the bottle than the outside air pressure. So outside air actually trying to push on the bottle through the bottom straw pool. In doing so, it gives the sanitizer in.
So if we loosen the cap, vacuum is disturbed and diminishes. So liquid sanitizer flow from straw by gravity. Analytic rubric for product-oriented performance-based task. DIY household hand sanitizer. Criteria: creativity, innovative. Fair, little or has no creativity at all. Good, somewhat creative and innovative. Excellent, excellent, creative and innovative of materials available. Informative, provide information that is beyond topic. Good, provide information that is functionally correct. Excellent, provide information that is excellently correct with substantive and reflective discussion. Correctness of the details. Fair, most information is not correct and accurate. Good, some of the information is correct and accurate. Excellent, all the information is correct and accurately given. Organization and content. Fair, the content is properly organized and complete. Good, the content is there but is not well organized. Excellent, the content is well organized and complete. Holistic rubric for product-oriented performance-based tasks. DIY household hand sanitizer. Criteria. The overall presentation excellently presents facts and data accurately with no errors and is clear to understand. Score 15. The presentation moderately contains minor errors which need little improvements, presents moderate amount of data. Score 10. The presentation has poor connection with the audience, no data being presented and cannot be understood. It demonstrates limited understanding. Score 5.
A few moments later.
Germs are everywhere. They can get onto hands and items we touch during daily activities and make us sick. Cleaning hands at key times with soap and water or hand sanitizer that contains at least 60% alcohol is one of the most important steps you can take to avoid getting sick and spreading germs to those around you. Although alcohol-based hand sanitizers can quickly reduce the numbers of germs in many situations, they should be used in the right situations.
Through this, we can prove that in crisis, we are creative and innovative 21st century learners.